Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hello Sparkles. Today I just have a quick watch me make things video or tutorial, whichever. I haven't figured out what it is because it's not necessarily me teaching you anything because it's a really simple wreath and I didn't do it step by step. This is how you do it. I just kind of did the basics. This is what I'm doing. So yeah, I think I'm going to label it a watch me make things video. Quick like me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it and let's jump right into it. So I bought yellow, what are these? They'll say asters. These purple ones, roses, obviously roses. My window lighting sucks today. More asters, Jamiesons, and then roses, but these, oh no, these are the same roses I got. So I got 6 of them, right? Yeah, 6 of them, 6 different flowers, all from the dollar store. I thought they were all pretty together, pretty springy. So I thought I would make a spring wreath today. Oh, I need scissors. Use these Christmas wreaths I have left over from when I had a wreath making party. Even though I didn't buy them, thank you, Brittany, my sister, Luna, who brought me the wreaths. Well, didn't bring me the wreaths, brought my family the wreaths, and I ended up keeping them. They're little leftovers. So I'm gonna take off all the tags, oops, of these flowers so the flowers aren't sticky. No, Luna, don't take my flowers. Oops. I think what I'm gonna do is cut them off of here and then like wind them in to the wreath itself, so you kind of don't see the wreath. I'm just kind of using it as a base. Even though I have a metal base over there, I don't really want to mess with it. I don't know why I'm saving it. I haven't used it. It's been on my wall for a couple years now, a year. I take it down for other decorations and put it right back up when my other decorations are down. I don't even know why I keep doing it. Mainly because it's a spot for it and I don't have to leave it somewhere else. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with me. Luna, out of there, please. If you see my camera moving and shaking, I'm sorry. It's because Luna's hitting it. Some of these are kind of wonky. I didn't realize that. So when you pick out your flowers, make sure they don't look like crap in the back. It'll be fine. And then one flowerless flower. Once you cut all those off of their stems, take your wreath, or Franklin, not. Figure out how you want them. Take for now and stick them through and then bend them. Oops, can't even see that. Stick them through and then bend them so while I lay it flat on the table it doesn't, I can see what it looks like, and then I'll glue them in place. You get the bigger wreath. Luna, what are you doing? Trying to take my flowers? Maybe I should get the bigger wreath. I changed to the bigger wreath. See, Christmas wreath. was gonna take the tedious time of wrapping these. Around all the branches. I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. Okay. Woohoo! It's all done. Oh, it's all loose. I ended up just taking and wrapping them around the back. It's real hard to see because it's all green. Sorry if you can hear my neighbors upstairs. They decided to have Stump Fest of 2019. That's fun. Fun times, fun times. So yeah, I kind of like how it turned out. It's really springy. I know it's super simple. I feel like I should do something else to it. Let me see. I had this garland I made years ago for Valentine's Day. That I hand sewed and cut and glued to the string. I sewed all those stitches. That was tedious work. Of course, when it's hanging up, it'll kind of dangle. Yeah, that's a maybe. That's a maybe. I think I'll go hang it on my front door and see how I like it. Thank you so much for watching my Watch Me Make Things video today. It's nothing special, like I said. It's just a quick, this is what I did. This is how I made my spring wreath / Valentine's Day wreath. Nothing spectacular, just simple. Sorry, Luna. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that bell so you get notified when I do post a video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at hello.sparkles. I am so enjoying having this butt right by my face. Thank you. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye. How do you always get your butt? How is this always happening?